Today I'm going to do a review for this Gulf Mew mallet. And this is interesting. It's a wood mallet, but it's coated with a polyurethane sleeve. So first I'm going to make one out of wood that's the same, and then we're going to compare them. All right, there we go. Now, these are going to be two very different mallets. All right, there we go. We got our two mallets, one of them from Amazon, one made on the lathe. We're going to test out these two mallets. This one is from Amazon, and it's a nice mallet. Not sure what the wood is, but it is coated with a polyurethane stiff rubber. It's fairly hard. And then I just made this one on the lathe. This is made out of pear. It's a harder surface than the rubber. You can tell by the sound. We're just gonna see how they work. They're two different mallets, so we're not really gonna compare. Just see what the difference is. All right, so a couple things I'm noticing. The wood one is, of course, louder. I feel like it's more aggressive. It's really notching out deeper with the same feel to the blow. The rubber coated one is maybe less aggressive, but I can really aim it better. I can get it where I want to go. So I'll say they're for different purposes, maybe.